Okay, how do you say this number? 487,123,964,722. What? Large numbers in English. Today we are going to be talking about how to write and say large numbers in English, so numbers that are larger than 1,000. First thing, when we write large numbers in English, we use commas, not periods. So this number is 1,000. This number is 1. 1.000 or 1. If there is 1 comma, 1,000. If there are 2 commas, million. 3 commas, billion. 4 commas, trillion. So let's practice. Example number 1. This number has 1 comma. So this number is in the thousands. I need to say all of the numbers before the comma. And the comma is a word. So in this number, the numbers before the comma are 4, 5, 6. But I need to say all of them together as a group. So I start by saying 456. Now I get to the comma. The comma is a word, and because there is 1 comma in this number, the word is thousand. So this number is 456,145. This number is a little bit smaller. The numbers before the comma are 1, 1, 11. So this number is 11,743. Okay, let's go bigger. 2 commas. If we have 2 commas, that means the number is in the millions. The first comma is million, and the second comma is thousand. And remember, I need to say all of the numbers as a group before the comma. So this number is 693,421,922. Okay, so let's go back to the number that started this video. 3 commas. This number is in the billions. The first comma is billion, the second is million, the third is thousand. So this number is 487,123,964,722. Okay, so that's billions. You want to go bigger? You want to go bigger? Okay, you asked for it. Trillions. Look at all the commas in this number. Okay, here we go. 451 trillion, 927 billion, 493,127,003. Whew. Okay, teacher, I think I got it, but that's a lot of words and a lot of numbers and a lot of commas. Is there a shorter way to say these big numbers in English? Yes. For numbers in the millions, billions, and trillions, there is a way to shorten the number. For example, this number is 1,600,000 600,000. But I can shorten the number to 1.6 million. So what did I do here? I said the first number before the first comma, 1. I changed the comma to a period and said point. Then I said the first number after the first comma, 6. And because this number is in the millions, I said 1.6 million. This is very common to do when most of the numbers in a big number are zeros. Like this number, 3,400,000,000 or 3.4 billion. This is very common to do when we are talking about large amounts of money or people, like population, for example. For example, we can say that rich man last year made $10.4 million. Or the population of that country is 30.7 million people. Okay, what about thousands? You said millions, billions, and trillions, but is there a way to make thousands shorter? Can I say 1.2 thousand? No, we don't say this in English. But it is possible to shorten numbers in the thousands if the number has 4 digits. What do I mean 4 digits? Well, this number. This number is 4,721. 4 digits, 4721. Because this is a 4-digit number, I can shorten this number and say 4,721. So what did I do there? I broke the number into 2 parts. I said the first 2 numbers together, 47. I said the word 100, and then I finished with 21. Again, this number is 4,721 or 4,721. This is very common to do when the last 2 digits are zeros. Like this number, 1,800 or 1,800. You will hear this all the time when people are talking about money. So it's very common to hear this on a TV commercial. You might hear something like, $1,200 down for a new car. This means $1,200, but the person on TV did not want to say 1,200, so they said 1,200. Okay, so what does this look like in real life? Well, we use numbers like this all the time. So if somebody asks you, how much do you pay in rent? Maybe you can answer, I pay $1,600 a month in rent. How much was your first car? My first car in 2012 cost $13,400. And my car has 139,421 miles on it. Pretty good. How much money do professional baseball players make? Well, I don't know what all of them make, but one player on my favorite team just signed a contract for $106.5 million. Okay, bonus lesson. There are some slang terms that we commonly use when we are saying numbers in the thousands and we are talking about money. For example, this number is 50,000. But sometimes we will use the letter K when we are talking about thousands. 50,000 or 50K. Grand is another word that we use. It means thousands, and we use this when we are talking about money. So these two numbers are $50,000 or 50K or 50 grand. Okay, review. Large numbers in English use commas. Every comma is a word when we say the number. And remember, we have to say the whole number together as a group before the comma. 787,135. If the number is in the millions, billions, or trillions, and most of the numbers are zeros at the end, it is possible to shorten. This number is 1.2 million. This number is 3.4 billion. Also, if a number has 4 digits, we can say it 2 different ways. This number is 8,700 or 8,700. This number is 1,523 or 1,523. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this video helped you increase your English fluency using large numbers. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.